So today I wanted to talk to everyone about a Mercedes part called a CPC3, Common Power Controller. Now this unit is actually fitted on trucks, Mercedes trucks. It's a common part that we're seeing a lot of coming into the workshop. And the faults that you normally see on the vehicle is that the accelerator pedal doesn't press anymore, as in you don't get no response from the accelerator pedal. Also, when you scan it, it's got no comms with it. It is intermittent, so sometimes it works perfectly, sometimes it doesn't work perfectly. So it's a very common part. This is the unit, CPC3. There's also a new part come out, which is a CPC4. Suffers from the same sort of symptoms and same sort of things that go wrong with it. This is, I'm just going to open this one up for you guys. So this is what's inside that unit. This is what's inside that unit. It is a unit that's very expensive at the dealerships. Some of them don't even have it. They don't have it anymore. I think they've run out of supply of them. Normally about £3,500 in the dealerships. We repair them at a fraction of the price, less than half the price. In the description, we will put a link on there so you guys could go and have a look at it on our website and buy the repair. Normally we turn these around in 24-48 hours. We might be able to do it if you book it in with us. If you bring it in the morning, we might be able to do it by the evening for yourself, but you need to book that in and let us know in advance. So if you get any of these in, please give us a call.